river flows with memories in its veins. From the snowy mountains high to the Bass Strait wide, through the green East Gippsland where the river and ocean collide. Oh, snowy river, running strong and true, with your tannin waters, mean skies so blue. Through the rains and sunshine, your spirit does remain in the heart of Gippsland after the winter's rain. Marlo stands so proud by the river's gentle bend, where the forest meets the sea and the journey finds its end. Fishermen cast their lines in the river's flowing stream, as the waves crash on the shore like a distant waking dream. Oh, snowy river, running strong and true, with your tannin waters, mean skies so blue. Through the rains and sunshine, your spirit does remain in the heart of Gippsland after the winter's rain. From the highlands cold to the estuary's embrace, you carry tales untold through every time and place. The wet winter's tears have given you new life, flowing through the land where the wild and free unite. The seabirds fly above in the golden winter light. Their shadows dance and weave in the warmth of morning bright. The river whispers soft of the days that came before, as the ocean greets its flow with a mighty endless roar. Oh, snowy river, running strong and true, with your tannin waters, mean skies so blue. Through the rains and sunshine, your spirit does remain in the heart of Gippsland after the winter's rain. So here's to snowy river on this bright and shining day, where the water meets the sea and the skies are never gray. May you flow forever free through the sunshine and the storm, in the heart of Gippsland where the snowy river's born.